As you set up your Option C project, you may wish to adjust some of the program settings. To do so, click the Settings icon in the bottom left. The General tab includes a variety of options. You can select between IP and SI units, and whether to order bills by the reporting month in the bill register or to prorate them to months. You can select between a traditional pre-retrofit baseline or a pre-retrofit post-retrofit baseline option. You can also toggle whether to show period start dates in the bill register and whether the reporting month column is read-only or can be manually adjusted. The starting month affects what month will appear first in your reporting periods. Regardless of the selection here, 12 months will be shown per year. However, if you wish for your year to begin on a month other than January, you can customize this here. For example, a school calendar may report on an alternate schedule. Ensure zero mean bias error in regressions will lock the mean bias error value to 0. I highly recommend leaving this option checked, unless you have a reason to do otherwise. Max delta T demand tuning allows you to tune your demand using the monthly maximums rather than the monthly averages. Finally, the bill cutoff date setting allows you to adjust bill cutoff dates across your entire project. Under the Auto Tuning Preferences tab, we can adjust the criteria that are applied to the different statistical indicators in the Baseline Tuning tab. We can also toggle these indicators on or off and assign weighing factors to each. This allows Option C to perform auto-tuning based on user preferences. Finally, the Report Headers and Footers tab allows us to customize the headers and footers of reports created by Option C. We can add features, including custom text, page numbers, date and time, or images, to various positions in the report page. We can also import a larger watermark. After making any changes to the settings, remember to click Apply Changes in the bottom right. Returning to the project view, we can also look at the Project Utilities tab. This tab allows us to select the default units used for each utility appearing in our project. Options appear under the drop-down menu for each utility type for both consumption and demand units. In the tables below, it's also possible to specify the number of decimal places to appear in the bill register. These changes are saved automatically,